Okay, I've got my wings crossed. Is that my actual ex permanently glued to the roof? Because I'm telling you right now, I did not migrate 3,000 miles for this. Ugh, that is so pigeon. No. Next. Why is the door so big? Any Tom, Dick or Harry could come in and destroy my entire family. It's given open nest policy. No. It looks like there could be structural issues here and I need stability, both emotionally and structurally. No. Next. Oh wow, that is so pretty. Next. You'll tell on me this is in my budget? No? This is a bit of a beak trail. Oh, now this is a hard yes. Canary yellow, I live. Moss on the roof that could have bugs in it, I live. Front garden, I live. I could see myself laying my head down here and my eggs